Hello, so this is A-level mathematics. Let's start with P3 chapter. The topic name is Polynomials. Basically, in exam, two types of questions occur. One is a basic polynomial question, and second one is with complex number. Term polynomials. The term poly means many, and the term nomials means term. For example, I consider a polynomial p of x is equals to 2x squared plus 6x plus 1, and I need to find p of 1. So what I will do is replace x with 1, 1 squared plus 6 into 1 plus 1. So this will become 2 plus 6 is 8 plus 1 is 9. So the first thing we need to understand in polynomial is long division. So question is that find the remainder when p of x 2x raised to the power 4 minus 6x squared plus 5 is divided by x minus 3. So let's set up a long division form. We have over here x minus 3, which is the divisor. We have our dividend, which is 2x raised to the power 4 minus 6x squared plus 5. Now our step number 1 would be to multiply x with such a value that it becomes 2x raised to the power 4. So what we can do is multiply x with 2x cubed. So 2x cubed, multiplying it, we will get 2x raised to the power 4 minus 6x cubed minus 6x cubed. Next step would be to change sign. So this would become minus and this would become plus. So what we have over here is minus 6x squared plus 6x cubed plus 5. Now our next step is to multiply x with such a number that becomes 6x cubed. So that would be positive 6x squared. So 6x squared multiplying with x minus 3 becomes 6x cubed minus 18x squared. Step is to change signs. So this would become minus and this negative would become plus. So this would become 12x squared plus 5. So our next step is to multiply x with such a number that becomes 12x squared. So that would be 12x. Positive 12x. So this will become 12x squared minus 12 and 36x. Changing signs, this would become negative, this would become positive. So this would become 12x square cancels out. So what we would get is 36x plus 5. So the next step would be to multiply x with such a number that becomes 36x. So that number would be 36 plus 36. 36 becomes 36x, and that would become negative 36 into 3 is 108. So this would become negative, this would become positive. So this cancels out. 108 plus 1 plus 5 is 130. So we have our answer. We need to find the remainder. So the remainder is 130. Do bear in mind that in this operation, this is our divisor, this is our quotient, this is our dividend, and this is our remainder. Let's move to our next topic, which is remainder theorem. So the remainder theorem. If p of x is divided by x minus a, then remainder is p of a. So what we have done, we have made this x minus a equal to 0 and made x the subject, x equals to a, and we have simply substituted this x is equals to a into this p of x. So this becomes p of a. So let's see a question. The question is that find the remainder when p of x equals 2x raised to the power 4 minus 6x squared plus 5 is divided by x minus 3. So what we need to do is make this x equals 3 and substitute it into p of x. So this is our substitution of 3 in place of x. So this gives our remainder, which is 130, which is the same question we did with the long division. That was a long process. So that's so simple. So do like and subscribe my channel if you want to see more informative videos. Thank you very much.